Today's video is I'm answering a question about when should you take your supplements? When is the best time to take your kidney supplements? Thanks for watching. This is Robert Galarowitz. Healthy Kidney Inc. is our channel. I'm a kidney survivor. We have hundreds of videos to look at to learn more about how to support good kidney health with things that you can do in your control. So let's talk about supplements and when to take them. Now, we love supplements at Healthy Kidney Inc. And we really love science-based supplements that show so much benefits and show much support for kidney health. So in general, you should take your supplements with food, okay, in the middle of a meal or right after, because many supplements need food to be absorbed properly, and some vitamins need fat that you find in food to be absorbed. So there's fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and those need some fat to be absorbed. So that's why you'll see in a lot of places to take supplements with food or after food. We always say right after meals. For other supplements, you need a little bit of fat and other nutrients to help it absorb. So when you eat it with the meal, you're going to get a lot of different nutrients that can be beneficial. Also, when you take your supplements with a meal or with food, and it's going to help reduce any risk of getting like a stomach upset. So in a smaller amount of people, they will get some stomach upset when they take supplements, especially B vitamins. Now, this can be due to just not used to taking a lot of pills. Some people have a little bit of irritation in their stomach, maybe a really mild gastritis or acid reflux, or if you have any of those issues, you could get more stomach irritation when you take your supplements. So you should take them after food. You can break them up more throughout the day if you have one of those issues, or you also can start slower. So you start with one supplement, make sure you're okay, then maybe another one or a second pill, and you can add on from there. Now, there are some supplements that they recommend taking without food, like probiotics. Now, that can be okay, and if that's in your schedule and you can permit that, meaning you're okay with taking a lot of different pills throughout the day, including any medications you might be on, then you can do that. But generally, when I recommend anything, I recommend just taking everything together two times a day or maybe 3 times a day, depending on what you're taking. If something says 3 pills a day you should take, it's better to do 1 pill 3 times a day. But a lot of people find it hard to stay on that schedule. So I'd recommend maybe 1 pill in the morning, 2 at night if it's a supplement. So that makes it a lot easier. Now with something like probiotics, just getting back to, they come with so many billions. Okay, some of them are enteric coated, delayed release. So if you get a high enough billion count, at least 25 billion or more, and if you get, make sure enteric coated or delayed release, which you'll find more common now is delayed release, where they don't, the pills won't open up in the stomach, and then you can take them with a meal. And if there's so many billions in there, some of them will get killed off by stomach acid, but you're still gonna get billions and billions of those good probiotics. And when I've worked with a nephrologist and when I work with people to support kidney health and I look at their lab work, it makes a big difference even if they're taking things like probiotics that aren't enteric coated, but there are enough billions. It makes a big difference to see the support in their blood work. So that's how you generally want to take supplements. With medications, it's generally better to avoid medications with supplements, just to be careful of any interactions or taking too many pills. As far as absorption, possibly if you take medication with certain supplements like fiber, high dose fiber, you might decrease the absorption of the medication. So try to break them up at least 20 minutes to a half hour apart. So maybe you take your medications before a meal if you're doing that, if you're taking it with food, and then maybe at the end of the meal, you take your supplements. It's better to do a couple hours in between, but the problem is most people start forgetting and it's too much of an inconvenience to take pills all day long at all different times. It doesn't work with their lifestyle. So generally, you can take the medications before a meal, take the supplements after. If you can wait till later, that's even better. If you can wait till maybe you can take them at lunch and maybe dinner or a snack, it'll be okay. But whatever fits with your schedule, and this is the ideal way to take your kidney supplements. And since we love kidney supplements here, we have dozens of videos about individual supplements, science-based ones, and how to help your kidney health, how to support good normal kidney function and kidney health. So check those out. Look at the description for links. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and to your best kidney health, everybody. Bye.